Alright guys, here we go with Huey. Okay, so this is a product that I received for free from a company. And I always welcome these because whenever you send something to Marco Reviews, you've got to be really brave because you never know what's going to happen when I open the box and start saying stuff. But anyway, I want to thank Huey for sending me whatever's inside. Let's find out. All right, so what could this possibly be in here? So this looks like something that you stick on your nose. Let's see. Let's open it up real quick. Interesting. Interesting indeed. Oh, look, it's magnetic, guys. It's magnetic.
Likey.